Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of the Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ? 1. The maximum extent of an exclusive economic zone, EEZ, from a country's baseline, as per international law, is 200 nautical miles. 2. Hague Convention governs the concept of the Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ. 3. A country's rights in its EEZ include all of the following except the rights to regulate foreign ships' passage. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option C. Statements 1 and 3 are correct. The EEZ extends up to 200 nautical miles from a country's baseline, as per the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS. The 12 nautical miles limit applies to territorial waters. Statement 2 is incorrect. The concept of the EEZ is governed by the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, not the Hague Convention. The Hague Convention is associated with other aspects of international law and arbitration. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, countries? 1. If a NATO country invokes Article 5, it means that the country is imposing trade sanctions. 2. Turkey has the second largest military force after the United States in NATO. 3. NATO's official headquarters is located in Brussels, Belgium. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option B. Statements 1 is incorrect. Article 5 of the NATO Treaty is about collective defense, meaning that if one NATO member is attacked, all other NATO members consider it an attack against them and may respond collectively. Statement 2 is correct. Turkey has the second largest military in NATO in terms of active personnel. Statements 3 is correct. NATO's headquarters is officially located in Brussels, Belgium. Thank you.